welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with ZSF Virgin Human Hair, and their website and everything is listed on the package that I received. Alright, it's my first time checking them out, so I'm pretty intrigued to see what their quality is like. So okay, before I get into the wig, I got this little pouch here. It's branded ZSF. I also got this little brush, which is going to come in handy. I'm going to put this in my collection. Also got this ZSF elastic band. And then lastly in the pouch, I got a pair of the HD wig caps. Guys, can you believe them said this is 24 inches? I'm not going to lie. Guys, this is giving 26 inches, maybe 27. This is so long. They said this is 24 inches and it's 180% in density, but it feels like 200. Okay, they gave you more than what you paid for. Like, this is their 5x5 lace closure, transparent lace closure that is Brazilian human hair, and this is a chocolate medium brown, number 4 hair color, and it is gorgeous. The perfect hair color for fall. Perfect. It's so silky. Jeez, it's, oh my gosh, and it's so full. This is full, guys. Am I getting any shedding? Absolutely not. It feels amazing. I am pleased. I'm pleasantly surprised with the level of quality straight out of the packaging. Okay, as I said, this is a 5x5 transparent lace closure, and it's a glueless slip on and go. You do not need any adhesive for this. I love this. I love this so much. Like, you get such beautiful quality, and it's a lace closure. It's a glueless wig. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So inside of the wig cap looks like this. Is pretty standard. It has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. Oh, by the way, the hairline is also pre-plucked, so I'm loving that. You don't need to go in to do any more of that. Guys, I'm so happy with this wig. So you know what, let's go ahead and jump on into quickly installing this, because this is 100% beginner friendly.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep going. I lose my breath.
Straight out of the package, look at this. This doesn't even look like it needs to be reflat iron. Look at the, you get 24 inches wear. Nah. ZSF, you're so generous. I love this. Like, 24 inches wear? Child. Inches for the winter, inches for the fall. So I'm just gonna go in and cut away the excess lace. It's as easy as that, and then I'm gonna just finesse the party. I'm just gonna go ahead, take my till comb, and I'm just gonna, as I said, work on the parting, get it really nice and flat and laid. Use my wax stick and just, that's really where most of the work comes in, guys. Like, it's so convenient and easy to install, like, no joke. No joke. ZSF knew what they were doing, because this is just immaculate.
out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
I just use a little bit of powder to camouflage the lace, and it looks really good. I made the parting a little bit more precise. I'm just gonna go in and quickly run through just the lightly with my flat iron. This hair really doesn't need to be like flat ironed again, but the perfectionist in me is gonna just run through the front here, just the front. But it looks like 10 out of 10. Like 10 out of 10.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby.
This is the wig. This is the wig. I know you guys see that this is like butter, okay? All the way past my waist. What? Yeah, I feel like this is definitely a steal. Definitely lace, super flat. It's little shading. When I tell you a little, very nice lace. It was really easy to lay, so I really appreciate that. The color, beautiful, perfect for fall. Beautiful chocolate brown. If you're looking for a wig like this, a straight texture, you got it. Like, what? ZSF, 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10. 10, 10, 10s across the board. I highly recommend this wig. If you're interested in it, you know where to find a direct link to it. It's in my description box along with all the specifications listed. Okay, the time is gonna be chilly real soon. It's not quite there yet, but it's gonna be real soon. And I feel like, you know, lengthier wigs are definitely a goal. You can't miss, you can't lose. It's so gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think. You know, this is today's wig look. Super easy, to the point, very beginner friendly, of course. I love it. The movement is so beautiful. So beautiful. But yeah, that's it for today's wig though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's all. And I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? So until then, just wear makeup on yourself. Bye.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.